Hey, I'm James with PNW Outdoor Reviews, the channel for honest and simple reviews. In today's video, I really want to talk to fellow content creators who do product reviews. Because I learned a valuable lesson recently, and I'm hoping that I can, save you from making a mistake that I made. If you're just looking for something, a simple camera that will improve your videos, the video quality, and make doing product reviews much easier. And the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 is a camera that is made for vloggers slash, again, product reviewers, because there is literally a button in the corner here, and it's the product showcase button. So as soon as, and just so everyone knows, I am going to switch cameras here, because right now I'm on my GoPro 10, and I'll switch over to this camera so that I can demonstrate to you how well the product showcase feature works on this Sony Alpha. So, but the lesson that I learned, because I thought going with a premium, a better end, so I went with the Sony A7C, which, for those who know, that is a fantastic camera, pricey, but I wanted to invest in my channel. I wanted to take my channel to the next level, and I thought going with a camera like that would do it all. Boy, was I wrong. And I'm sure for those who are experts with cameras may have, been able to do it. But for me, I'm just the average Joe, and I wanted something simple and I didn't have to go to school for. This camera, the Sony ZV-E10, I promise you, it's literally it's advertised as a vlogging camera for YouTubers, and that product showcase button truly works. So when you buy it as this package, I bought this from Best Buy, all together with the lens was $800. Still a little pricey, but I mean, this is a 4K camera. It's got the LCD screen that flips around, so I mean, you can look at yourself in it. I mean, however you want to do your videos, but it just makes, for what I'm doing, being a review channel, this camera does everything I need it to. And I want to share this because I know there's a lot of other people who are, whether they're just starting out or like me, they finally want to upgrade their whatever camera they may be using. And I found that this exact camera, it did everything I needed it to. And I've only filmed a handful of videos with it, but I am extremely satisfied so far. But just kind of quickly, I guess, for those who are curious, I'm not going to go into crazy detail because there are so many other videos on YouTube that break this camera down. They're like over an hour long, and I don't want to do that to you. But it does have a power zoom lens, but it's an E-mount style, so you can put traditional nice lenses on this thing that aren't powered, just manually powered. So you have the choice of lens, but this, like I said, is a package that you can buy together, and this is a 16 to 50 millimeter lens. And for this type of video making, it's perfect. And you can get it in black or white is the two colors that they offer. I'm trying to see if there's anything else special about it. For those who live stream, this camera, you can just plug it into your computer and you can use this as a webcam. So you can live stream from this camera, which is a neat feature. So you don't have to buy a webcam, you can literally just use your camera. So cool feature. But yeah, guys, one more thing I'll show you. It's kind of cool. So if I use, like right now I'm recording on a Rode VideoMic Pro Plus. So I updated my microphone as well to a shotgun style mic. But if you don't want to buy an external mic for your camera, they do include this little windscreen, which is really neat. So let's see if I put that on there. Yeah, so it covers up the microphone on top, but it comes with the camera. So kind of a neat little feature if you're just looking for, like I said, a compact, take anywhere, camera. So, but yeah, guys, let me switch this camera up so I can demonstrate this one so you can see how well it works. Alright, so now I'm filming on the Sony ZV-E10 camera. And as you can see, it's in the product showcase mode. It will just keep automatically going back and forth into focus. So as I'm just talking, yada yada yada, and I want to show you my old GoPro 5, it will focus on this product, object, whatever it may be that you're going to be talking about. So guys, I really hope this video was helpful for you. I mean, I really hope that I can save someone from having to spend a lot more money, than they need to, just something like this. And I know there's a lot of different cameras on the market, but I just thought this camera has everything that, well, for me, what I'm doing, and I know a lot of you are doing the same thing I'm doing. It works. It really does work. And if you're looking to update a camera, I think the Sony ZV-E10 is a really good choice for you. But don't take my word for it. Like I said, there's a lot of videos about it, so it's always good to do a little bit more research than what I did. But yeah, guys, I want to thank you so much for watching, for being a supporter of the channel, for subscribing. It really means the world to me. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I want you to have a great day.